on the run, driving in the sun, looking out for number one. California, here we come, right back where we started from. Well, hustlers, grab your shadow weighs a ton, driving down the 101. California, here we come, right back where we started from. California.
The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Hey, Sergeant Barry, while to break the spell of aging, celebrity skin, is this your chin or is that one you're waging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore, softcore. Dream of Californication, dream of Californication.
Everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be served like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy, bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You'll catch them surfing at outside Ventura County line.
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just gonna sit on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray.
If I was in LA,
into a church I passed along the way. Well, I